So the lady, she wanted to get fame on me, such kind of things. And I was like not interested in those things. Like nga oshagela my like omanyi kati tugeze onjagala mumayira nonkuyise oli omuwala omulala like nga onjagala nga nkwagala flower nengamba nti kati flower nkwagala like mbaze kusuubira nti onjagala lwakuba onjagalako linnya lyange oba tolina kunjagala. You have to love me genuine. Like tolina kunjagala nti I love Pretty Nicole because she's a celebrity. I want Pretty Nicole because I want to get fame too. I want Pretty Nicole because I want this and this. But the lady used to want to love me kurachi kuransonga. She wanted her accounts like okukula to be boosted. She wanted like to be known celebrity, because at times many people have come in too close to me when they're telling me Pretty twagala tubelechi twagala tukola interviews ku TV jango chali ku NBS jango chali simanya ku NTV but I nengana that lady katwawola musanyuka TV bali bagala ku hosting but I refused. Why I rejected their interview because abantu abamusinti no buli muntu akuta ku interview mbwa bakwagala just bo bagala mawulire so naye yakola nakola bawabilabe ebintu bye byakola like oyagenda kati kalakata naye kozesa bichi like kyali akakubela getting a fame and even she was she was a bisexual lady. Naye byatwawula byansinikira mitwalo gyesatu nengana ogenda ku lives nanyiga naye flower akubulire. Let me tell you because of my friend, you see, as a lady Yali njagala finds in and it was njagala because I told her that she loved me, but Bella used to say that, but for real this lady loved me. That's me in my thoughts. Nolosanga wencho. But the lady naye yali anjagala because flower nga tuzembya ddala man, those are babies on me bana bato munzi like they are not young but mukintu ekikwatagana ne TikTok oba fame they are kids just bana batoye mukintu ekikwataganiwa ne fame because like nze flower nze omuntu agamba kati kanjiwe account yange nkyanjigulewo naye ne bukyanga account yange edduse mugedde sitategedde. So this account of mine I think I can spending only 1 month plus 2 weeks to 1 week. I think that, but sina budde bwabo. Omukyala mbadde gamba yajja nangamba simanyanga Pretty, she used to pretend that she loves me. So the moment that she used to pretend njagala nakola ki nga yanjagalako kumbe content yali nga njagalako content mukuliza account but ekyewunyisa namukuliza account kati twayawukanye tulina ku account yange yakamala week emu 1 month plus 1 week to 2 weeks olabe yange jeri kuyiyo lawo basigena musanga singa yeli mu million I think but even when she bikuru naye ekyatwawukanya ali anjagalako content. She bought me data for 30k yansinyika emitwalo 3 ngule data then I rejected to go on her live kuba yangula data nkole live naye because she used to want those lives ngajagalako content like following likes so kati wenagana ogenda kubi live nanyiga nayomba you girl nayomba bichi what nayomba bingi and of which the lady she's a recipient and I can't clap my fellow woman so hi how are you Mbubandwa bagama Dr. Kruthum Mbubandwa Dr. Basil. They don't know that even I'm in touch with Dr. Kruthum Basil and nothing they can do there because Dr. Kruthum she got married to my uncle Kati anyways ebyo abantu ba media mbalaba bulabi ne bakola ki ne bansobera mbalaba bulabi ne mbaleka sabo tebalina byakukola mu ma just they are trying to tarnishing my name but the more they tarnish it the more like my brand jegentinga mo okubeera builded so naye abo tebalina byakukola abo banakunze though they talk what yeah banakunze zendi my name is very big ekyo kimanyi abelinya lyange ddene and the person who does something from here nekituuka wa nawa you know kati abo tebantiiza